Welcome to the Stylist Journey. Where are you on the journey? Today we're going to talk about a specific topic, but you might need to go back or forward to find where you are on the journey, or maybe you'll want to start at the beginning. Now you need clients because you've already got the job. Hopefully you got the right job. Go back and watch the job video if you need to figure out what job to get, because you can be in a busy salon or not, and it's a lot harder in the not, but that's how most of us did it. It's how I did it 30 years ago. But at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to build it if you don't have a busy salon or a busy hairdresser to work under. So stay here for a minute. It's going to be very valuable. So if you're in that busy salon, I feel like it's pretty simple. You've got to do good work. Upsell would be a good idea, but mostly reschedule and sell retail, right? So if you're super busy, you just got to make them happy and hope they come back, or make them come back and reschedule them. Very simple. You should be doing that anyway, even if you just do one client. But then the way I look at it is most of us feel like we're lucky enough to just get a job somewhere, right? So we're in the job, now we got to build the clientele. And there's so many ways to do it. And I'm not saying my way is the only way. I'm just saying I was super successful doing it a particular way. And I'm going to share that with you, exactly how I did it at the end. But the first thing I thought was, okay, I've got to either market and or advertise, which costs money, that I might not have, you might not have. But if you do, you can do some social media posts, you can do other types of advertising, you can boost the post, pay money for people to see it. But what are they going to see? They need to see something you actually do. So in my head, I was thinking, you know what? I can discount some services maybe, or this is that golden nugget. This is what I did, and you're not going to like it at first. But let me explain it to you if you'll give me a few minutes. Free. Free. Yeah, crazy how free works. I thought, you know what? If I spend, let's just say $100, put an ad somewhere, and people see it, but they don't like it, and nobody comes, $100 is gone, right? I spend $100 and get nothing for it was the possibility. Maybe people come and see me, but I couldn't be guaranteed advertising would work. So I thought I could take that same $100 in color, bleach, lightener, whatever you want to call it, some kind of products, or just my time, and put $100 of my effort on people's heads. So if I did this, I knew, I was confident enough that if I did this, they would come back. Because I knew I'd build a great relationship, I'd do a really good job, I'd go all out on that scalp massage at the shampoo bowl, I would make the haircut perfect because I got plenty of time, I'm not busy right now, and then when I colored it or highlighted it, it would look so good. At the end, I'd style it so incredibly well that I'd be taking before and after pictures and then posting all that to social media, and that's what would build my business. But I would tell them, let's reschedule your appointment, it'll be full price next time. You don't have to show up, obviously, but if you let me do you free today, share all of these images, and you post it on your social media also, that's what built my business. If nobody came from it, which people did, then at least that same person would be coming back to pay for their next visit if they liked it, if they liked me. That's where I had to shine. So you get it? Free is not free forever. It's just the first time. If you use them for marketing, schedule their next appointment, charge them money, sell them retail, and they will tip you. Try it. It's worth it.